rising heart of night. The strobe cuts through darkness. It's not just light, it's a beacon. The strobe becomes our guide.